Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send files on WhatsApp Desktop using your Windows computer. First, open WhatsApp Desktop and select the chat where you want to send the file. Now, look at the bottom of the conversation and click the plus or attachment icon next to the message box. You'll see different options for sharing content. To send a regular file, select the document option. A file selection window will now open on your computer. Browse through your folders and find the file you want to share. You can send different types of files, such as PDF documents, Word files, spreadsheets, presentations, or other supported files. Once you find the file, select it and click Open. WhatsApp will now prepare the file for sending. Before sending, make sure you have selected the correct document. If you want, you can also add a short caption or message with the file. When you're ready, click the Send button. As you can see, the file is now being uploaded to the conversation. The upload time depends on the size of the file and your internet connection. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in the chat, and the recipient can open or download it. You can use the same process whenever you need to share a document from your computer. This is especially useful when the file is already saved on your PC and you don't want to transfer it to your phone first. So the process is simple. Open a chat, click the attachment icon, choose Document, select your file and click Send. And that's how you can send files on WhatsApp Desktop in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.